Welcome! This video will show you how to log in to your cPanel at Hosting UK. First off, you have to be logged into your account. To go to your client area, go to Sign in the upper right corner and click on Login. Now go to Services to see your activated services. Select one of your active services to go on. In this area you can see some shortcuts that can also be viewed in the cPanel menu. To see all options, go to Log into cPanel under Actions. Now you are in your cPanel. Here you can view many categories with many useful tools. For example, the File Manager allows you to edit files, upload new files and remove files. The tool Images offers features that allow you to edit images stored on your server. Or by using the option Domains, you can manage your current domains. Thank you for watching. For more useful tips, check out our channel.